Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is analyzing web application firewall. So let's get started. A web application firewall, that is WAF, is a key into a security guard for a website. It's an important device or server add-on that is specifically designed to scrutinize and manage the exchange of data between a website and its visitors. Much like a gatekeeper, it sets the ground rules for the type of communication that can happen, thus ensuring the site is protected from unwelcome visitors or malicious activities. A WAF stands guard at the entrance of a web application, actively monitoring the HTTP traffic to and from the application. By applying a set of predetermined rules, it can detect and prevent web application attacks such as cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and other web-based threats. To draw an analogy, imagine a museum that holds priceless artifacts. The WAF would be like the museum security system, allowing the public to view the artifacts but preventing anyone from damaging or stealing them. Web security gateways and their functions. To extend the security model further, we can introduce web security gateways. These act as a comprehensive web content filter that offers an additional layer of protection. If we return to our museum example, the web security gateway is a key into a highly advanced security room that not only keeps an eye on the museum visitor but also scans for potential threats that the visitor may unintentionally carry with them, such as bacteria or chemicals that would damage the artifacts. Apart from filtering web content, these gateways perform a range of functions including instant messaging filtering, email filtering, spam blocking, and spoofing detection. This holistic approach ensures that the entire web activity of an organization is monitored and regulated, thereby creating a safe and secure online environment. The power of URL filtering. One key feature that many security gateways employ is URL filtering. This technology restricts access to certain websites based on their URL. Think of URL filtering as a selective bouncer at an exclusive club, allowing only the invited guests in and keeping the uninvited ones out. For instance, a school may implement URL filtering to block access to social media or adult content on the school's network. Similarly, a company might use URL filtering to prevent employees from accessing non-work related sites during office hours. This ensures that the network remains secure and free of inappropriate content or potential security threats. Content and malware inspection. While URL filtering is a proactive measure to block potentially harmful sites, content and malware inspection delve deeper into the web content itself. Content inspection works by examining the payload of application protocols for specific keywords or patterns. This can be compared to a custom officer at the airport who inspects the content of a passenger's luggage for prohibited items. If a certain keyword or pattern is detected, the content can be blocked or flagged for further review. On the other hand, malware inspection is like a sophisticated scanner that detects unwanted software in the network traffic. If malware is identified, it can either block the traffic or trigger alerts for further action. Role of firewalls, proxies, and application-aware devices. Firewalls, proxies, and application-aware devices often include the features of URL filtering, content inspection, and malware inspection. They offer layered security to prevent unwanted intrusion or attacks on a network or web application. Application-aware devices are particularly useful as they focus on specific application or protocols for deep content inspection. This is similar to a food inspector specializing in a certain type of food, such as dairy products, to ensure they meet specific quality and safety standards. Web application firewall and gateway output. The output of a web application firewall or gateway is comparable to that of a conventional firewall, intrusion detection system, or unified threat management. This output can take the form of a real-time alerts that notify security personnel of potential threats or after-the-fact reports that detail the security incidents that occurred during a certain period. For instance, if the system detects an attempted SQL injection attack, the WAF could immediately send an alert to the system administrator while also logging the incident for further investigation and reporting. In conclusion, in the ever-evolving landscape of digital threats, web application firewalls and web security gateways play a pivotal role in safeguarding our online experiences. By combining URL filtering, content inspection, and malware detection, these tools provide a comprehensive security solution that allows us to browse the web safely and securely. Just as a museum employs multiple layers of security to protect its priceless artifacts, our web application requires similar multi-layered protection, And with the continuous evolution and increasing sophistication of cyber threats, these security measures are not just optional, they are necessary for continued functioning of our digital lives. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. And if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.